again to my channel, and for this episode, another DIY ReStyle project po ang aking papakita naman sa inyo. Mga guwaps, i-share ko lang naman ito sa inyo. Out of your old jeans, well, here, pwede natin i-transform into or resell natin ito into a detachable up the shoulder top. So as you can see, I'm wearing it one right now, and yeah, and mag-detach po siya mga guwaps. That's it. If you don't want any sleeve with it, well, you can detach it and just use that one as your shoe, okay? As your top. That's it. So very simple lang naman siya mga guwaps, pero may dating naman. Alright, so if you want to know how I resell this one, just keep on watching. Alright, this part here will serve as your top, and then depende na lang sa inyo kung gaano kahaba yung magiging bottom niya. And if kung maluwang siya, all you have to do is to adjust the side, and then that's it. All you have to do is to cut it, and then save the extra fabric and cut this part here so that we can close the bottom part. And then once done, tahiin lang this part, and then same on the other side as well. And yeah, it depends on you kung tatahiin nyo yung bottom or ifa-fold nyo or hindi nyo ifa-fold. Depende na lang sa inyo. Yung sa akin naman, pinold ko na lang para mas malinis. And yeah, tapos na yun. And next step will be attaching the sleeve. So this one here, measure nyo na lang kung gaano kahaba yung gusto nyo arm niya. And then yan, we're going to use a peacock hook for that to attach it on the side. Just connect nyo na lang and repeat the same procedure on the other side. Yeah, I'm positioning this one on pataas para pag nilagay ko siya dito, hindi siya madaling matanggal kahit na itaas niyo pa yung kamay ninyo. So yeah, secured siya. So detachable tube po siya na off-shoulder jeans. So we're done, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side as well.